Hi boys and girls, today we're going to go over lesson 10, and this lesson is based on rates. Now a rate is when for example, you go to Publix and you want to buy a pack of water bottles. The pack of water bottles comes with, I don't know, let's say 12, okay, for $5.99. What you would do is divide to find out how much each water bottle costs if you were to buy them separately. Okay, usually when you're trying to get a good deal, that's what you would do. You would say, okay, well, if these 12 water bottles cost $5.99 and another pack of 18 water bottles is $10, what's the better deal? Okay, so for the first 6 problems in this worksheet, okay, your worksheet might look a little bit different. What we're doing is writing it as a fraction first. Then down here, we're actually going to find the unit rate, which entails us to do the actual computation. But for the first 6, we're basically just understanding how to properly write the rate, okay? So for number 1, it's done for you already. 80 cars in 20 minutes. So basically the first number is always going to be your numerator, and the second number will always be your denominator. Preparing this for the next step down here, which is to divide. Okay, so let's do number 2 together. 20 feet in 4 seconds. Well, taking what I just said, 20 would be our numerator and 4 would be our denominator. Okay, when you actually divide this, remember that this is the same as saying 20 divided by 4. So it would be 5. Now you don't have to solve it because all they want you to do here is write it in fraction form. So basically for numbers 1 through 6, we're just doing what they did here and this part here. You're not doing this part, okay? I just took it a step further to show you what it would look like, but that's not what is required of you for the first 6 in this worksheet. Now down here, when you find the unit rate, okay, let's do number 7 together. $4.80 for 4 markers. This is where the scenario I gave you earlier about the water bottles comes in. So if I'm going to buy 4 markers for $4.80, I want to find out what each marker is going to cost. Okay, so let's scroll up. Okay, so I'm going to write it as my fraction. $4.80 divided by 4. Okay, so let's scoot over so that we have space. All right, as we learned in chapter 5, if the dividend has a decimal, it's okay. As long as the divisor does not have a decimal, we can just continue division like normal. Bring up your decimal, make sure you always line it up. 4 goes into 4 one time. This is the easy part. I wish it would all fit on a bigger board. Okay, now remember when we get to this part here, I have to put another 0 up here, okay? To finish dividing. If I brought down the number, I have to finish dividing this. 4 goes into 0, 0 times. No digit in the dividend can be left without a number up on top. Okay, so your quotient has to, I guess, like have a place value or have a spot per number down here in your dividend. Okay, if that makes any sense. So $1.20 is what each marker would cost if you were to buy it separately. So for number 7, $4.80 for 4 markers, you would write here $1.20. Now for number 8, 60 ounces for 10 servings. We want to find out unit rate, so we would divide. 60 divided by 10, that's easy math. It would be 6, right? Number 9, 27 songs on 3 CDs. Same thing, we would write it as a fraction. which is again simple math. 27 songs on 3 CDs, so we want to find out how many songs is in each CD. So we would do 3 on the outside, 27 as a dividend, and that would be 9. So what this 9 represents is that for each CD, there are 9 songs. If I were to do 9 times 3, you would get the 27 songs in total for the 3 CDs. And I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, the rest is just, the numbers get a little bit bigger, but it's still division, the same process, okay? 276 miles on 12 gallons of gas. So here we're trying to find out how many miles did the car or whatever it is do or make per gallon. And the rest is just basic math. There isn't anything here that I think you would struggle with. It's just the same thing over and over again, just dividing, okay? Remember, when it asks you, you're gonna have 2 different sets of directions. When they want you to write the rate in fraction form, this is what you're doing, you're not solving it. Down here, find the unit rate, which is gonna divide. Dividend, divisor. Number on the left is your dividend, number on the right is your divisor, okay? As usual, guys, if you have any questions, just send me an email and I will reply to you as soon as I see it, okay? Have a great day.